Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about my hair care routine. So I'm just gonna hop right in. I have, just for reference, thin, fine hair, and I did bleach it, so it is color treated and damaged because I also curl it like once a week usually. So all of that just makes it a little bit damaged. So I wash my hair every third day. So I'll wash my hair, skip 2 days, and then wash it again on the third day. And once a week, I will use Olaplex. And this one I'm like almost out of, but I literally bought it back up because I love Olaplex. It's like the one thing that has completely saved my hair and made it soft and silky and made it feel like I didn't bleach the crap out of it. Put on wet hair, leave it on for at least 10 minutes. You can leave it on longer if you want. And then you wash it out and then you shampoo and condition like you normally would. So if I'm doing like a workout or if I'm watching something, then I will leave it in for a lot longer. If I'm super lazy or busy, then I'll just do like the basic 10 minutes and call it good. But every time I use this, my hair is so soft and silky. I guess this is like the thing that makes the most of a difference. But that's not to say that I don't love everything else, because this little routine all works together. So I feel like you need every part. You can't just like get this alone. Do you know what I'm saying? Okay. So yes, Olaplex. Then to wash my hair, I use the Fanola No Yellow shampoo. And that's just because I bleached my hair again, so it turns so orange and yellow. Because I have like Asian hair, so it pulls orange and yellow a lot. So this is a must. And this is so purple. Everyone loves this, and I love it. I get it on Amazon, and it makes your hair way more tone, way less yellow and orange. So what I do is I have like a shower playlist, so I'll play my music while I'm showering. So I'll put this on. Usually I'm still on the first song when I just put this on, and then I will wait until the second song finishes playing before I rinse it out, and that's kind of how I leave it on. But you can leave it on for 1 to 5 minutes. I try to leave it on as long as possible because I want it to tone the crap out of my hair. For conditioner, I use this. This is the Macadamia hair mask. I love this stuff. I recently finished another tub, but luckily I found this at Marshall's for like $20, and I was like, yes. It makes your hair so soft, so silky, so shiny and smooth and detangled. It's just amazing. I basically use this instead of conditioner. So I use it every time I wash my hair, but I only wash my hair like 2 times a week. Let's see, Monday, skip Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, I only wash my hair twice a week, max 3 times. But because I skip every other day, I don't think it's like possible for me to wash my hair 3 times a week, but I can't like math right now, so 2 or 3 times. I think only 2, but I'm not sure. Okay, so lastly, I have my Moroccan oil light, and I use a little bit of this every time I wash my hair. And I like to wait till my hair is like a little bit more dry, like 75% dry, before I put it on, because I feel like when you put it on when it's slobbering wet, the water just kind of like dilutes it, and then it doesn't end up doing as much. I don't even know if that's true, but yes, Moroccan oil. I love this stuff. It smells amazing, and again, it just makes your hair shiny, soft, detangled, and just gives it that like luster look, like that lustrous look that you want. Okay guys, so that's it for my hair care routine. That was actually pretty like minimal now that I'm thinking about it. I only used 4 products, but I feel like they're all top of the line, best of the best. I don't know, I love them. I just think this hair routine has been, I don't want to be dramatic, but it's been like life-changing. Ever since I dyed my hair, I was like, what's wrong with it? It's like dead. But this hair care routine just brought it back to life, and now I feel like I didn't even dye my hair. I only dyed it a little bit. But the truth is, I bleached the crap out of it. It looks really dark right now because my lighting is like so trash, but in real life, it's so light. See, even when I do this, you can kind of see it's like a lot lighter than... I need to figure out my lighting, you guys. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy. Excuse me. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe. Let me know what videos you want to see next. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye!
I've been having a sweet dream. Ooh, I've been dreaming since I woke up today.